My name is Lynn Knapp and I'm the head teacher here at Windmill Primary School. I would like to offer you a very warm welcome to this virtual tour, which is aimed at giving you a feel for both the physical space of the school as well as our ethos and approach to learning. We're a three-form entry primary school with 90 children in each year group. We have 630 children in our school, and therefore our biggest challenge is making a large school feel small. We do this through buddying up the older classes with the younger classes. I make sure that I know all of the children by name, and I spend time with them running lunchtime clubs and just generally bringing the school community together on a regular basis. In reception, we have our classes organised by age, with the autumn-born children being in one class, the spring-born in another, and the youngest children being in the third class. The classroom setup in reception is very similar to the one that the children will have experienced in nursery and preschool, as they're continuing with the early years curriculum in their first year of school. The national curriculum starts when they move into year 1. We believe that learning should be a positive experience, and teachers work really hard to prepare lessons that are creative and challenging to ensure that children stay motivated and want to engage. We teach through topics that are linked to the history and geography national curriculum content. We deliver a broad and balanced curriculum, ensuring that children have high quality lessons in the arts and humanities, as well as the core curriculum of maths, English, science and ICT. We teach the children about their brain from when they start in reception and have a growth mindset culture. Children build up an understanding of how the brain grows new neural pathways when we learn new things. Children are taught that when this pathway is being built, it is weak and they will make mistakes. They'll find the learning hard and will need to practice to become good at it. We also teach them that they all have the capacity to do anything they want to do if they are prepared to be resilient and positive when learning is challenging. For this reason, we don't use the word ability to describe a child's capacity to learn. Instead, we talk about their current attainment level. Underpinning this curriculum, we have a strong values ethos. Each month, we focus on one of our 22 values, and through assemblies and lessons, think how these values change the way in which we behave towards others. We have many strengths in the school due to our strong school team. Music and French are taught by specialist teachers, and we have lots of opportunities for children to extend their skills and interests outside of the school day. This includes a school orchestra and choir, art clubs, and a wide range of sports clubs.